The Unseen World by Saffiyah and Wafa from Copthall School in London. I know spring sounds like a woodwind orchestra, gentle and kind, a sweet and sugary lozenge full of raw flavours. I know winter smells like fresh steaming cookies in the blazing oven, a midnight blue ambience, but not so full of colours. These all seem unseen. I am a rainbow, dim and faint, lingering in the grey clouds unnoticed. A scratched DVD played every time on a rainy day. I am a glistening shield to show my love for marvel and to reflect my braveness. A historical crown showing that women are powerful in every way. These all seem unseen. I wish people didn't lock their feelings away and discard the key. I wish mental health was not troublesome, frantic and out of reach. It's like lingering wasps, a nuisance and overpowering. I wish for more understanding and positivity in the world, but these still seem unseen. I will do more about this. I will make people feel better. I will spread more awareness. I will make a change in the world. These will all be seen.